Hi fellas, Balaji is back again with the usual problem. Fuel pump not priming and engine cutting out. So uh, like I said in my previous video, there are 4 relays here for 4 different circuits and one here. I kind of missed out on the exact location of the fuel pump relay. This seems to be the location. We'll just confirm it. When I turn the ignition on and I kind of compress my kill switch, that is when I engage the ignition circuit, I ought to hear a click. Yep, perfect. So that seems to be working, and that is why you also hear the fuel pump priming. And so this is very clearly the fuel pump relay, and many have complained about this particular relay. Many have complained about the engine cutting out, the fuel pump not priming after a ride in the hot weather, and all that is attributed to a faulty fuel pump relay, or a kind of a loose contact somewhere around here. So you could blame it on the loose contact, you could blame it on the quality of the relay, you could go on blaming, or you could just figure out solutions for it. And so this is the solution for this. I have with me a Roots 12 volt 25 amps relay. Now, where did I get this from? I got this about 3 years ago when I had swapped my relays, and like I said in my previous video, when I installed the Powertronic ECU, those guys were kind enough to ship 2 relays to me. And what I did was I gathered 2 more relays from local spare parts shops. And so this is what I'm left with. I have given away 1 to a subscriber, and that's the rest of what remains. So I have a Roots relay, which I believe is far more superior to this, what comes with Royal Enfield. So I'm going to be installing this on Balaji's motorcycle, and that will be the end of the fuel pump not priming issue. Apart from that, for whatever else you have problems with in terms of your electrical circuits, you have 4 relays here. Go grab yourself one of these and just swap them all out with 25 amps. I believe these are 20 amps. There's no mention of the same anywhere on this, but I believe these are 20 amps, so you could go higher on the load by 5 amps and swap them out. These are mini relays. So get 12 volt 25 amp mini relays and swap them out, and you will not have any issues as far as cutting out or fuel pump not priming goes. That is not the right thing to be used on battery terminals. Of course, you have much better products, and this is one of those products which you can use on your battery terminal. Okay, so I did not realize that my camera was starting to fog, and that is also because of the humidity in my place now. There's been a sudden weather climate shift, and it's just been pouring like hell, and then the rest of the day is all humid. So the lenses start becoming a lot more foggy within seconds. So yep, what I did in the previous part was I just swapped the stock factory relay to a, there you go, this is a 20 amps 12 volt relay, and I have swapped it to a swapped it with a 12 volt 25 amps relay. So we bumped up the amperes, and these are mini relays. So just letting you guys know that this is what you need to get. You need to get a Roots or a Bosch 25 amp relay, and that ought to do it for you. This is a generic one. This is Bijli, BGLI. So don't really know if this is a good brand or not, but yeah, the Roots one seems to be doing it for me. It's been there on my motorcycle ever since the day, almost 3 years now, easy 3 years, and no cutting out issues, no nothing. So yep, get yourselves these relays and swap them by yourselves, and that ought to do it for you. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is I've used dielectric grease inside. If you guys can see, there's a bit sticking out. So I've kind of used dielectric grease to make this contact point waterproof. Keep that in mind. I will definitely attach a link to this particular product, just so that you guys can also go get it. And yeah, you will have to definitely suck it into a syringe, because it's easier application with the syringe. Otherwise also you can do it, not a big deal, but a syringe definitely goes a long way in applying in tight spots. So yep, that's as simple as that. A quick easy video coming to an end, and that's happy Balaji. One more problem sorted, and that will be it. Very well maintained motorcycle. Love the way this looks. Really gorgeous piece of machinery, or machine, a gorgeous machine. And yeah, so that's it. A quick easy video for you guys to get your hands dirty with, and get the job done yourselves. So this hopefully this would help, and like I've always said, if this helps, it helps. This is Ben signing out for now. Ciao. See you guys on another one.